I think you should quit saying my hair is always dry, my hair is suffering from breakage. Have you tried this combo? Aloe Vera and Fenugreek deep conditioner. That's what I'll be doing in this video today, and I would like you to follow through to see how I'll make this conditioner that will leave your hair super soft and hydrated. This combo will change your hair game for a long time. Do not miss it. So all you need to do is to soak your fenugreek seed overnight, or you can soak for about 5 hours so it becomes soft enough for you to blend, because this right here, we're going to blend it. And the aloe vera gel, you just open it up and scoop the pulp into it. You're going to blend it together. This aloe vera will help to keep your hair so soft and hydrated, while the fenugreek will keep your hair very, very strong. It's going to strengthen your strands. You do not want to mix this. After using this recipe, after trying it out, I believe you're going to say, oh, if I'd known, I would have started for a long time. But let me show you through the process of how I'm going to make this right now. So all you do is open up your aloe vera gel, and then you scoop the gel inside. Scoop inside. You can see what we have. So we're going to be blending everything together. Do not worry if it's too much. You can always preserve it by keeping it in the freezer. You can use ice tray to save it in the freezer till whenever you need to use it again. It's going to stay very fresh till your next deep conditioning day. So let's go ahead to blend this right now. So before we continue, if you enjoy simple natural hair recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to Ivy's Naturals channel, this particular channel you're watching and seeing this right now, and turn on your post notification bell so you do not miss out of any natural hair care tips. So back to this after blending. Straining of this fenugreek and aloe vera mixture is very, very important, because you don't want the little particles stuck in your hair later. That's going to be a lot of work for you to even get them out. Now you want to use a fine sieve or a cheesecloth to sieve it properly. I added our organic hair growth oil. This oil is so effective, and it will do wonders to your hair. If your mixture feels too thick, feel free to add little water of the aloe vera juice and mix again until it becomes smooth. If it feels too watery, you can blend a little more soaked fenugreek to thicken it up. Before applying it on your hair, make sure your hair is very clean and slightly damp. This treatment works best on freshly washed hair because the strands can absorb the nutrients better. Also, you want to section your hair into manageable parts. This will help you to distribute the conditioner evenly on your hair. Now you take a scoop of the mixture and apply it from the roots of your hair to the ends. Make sure every strand is coated. Use your fingers to gently work the conditioner into your hair. Also, another thing you should pay attention to is the ends of your hair, because they are the oldest and the most fragile part. Make sure you apply this conditioner to it very, very well. Once all the sections of your hair are fully coated, You gently twist or braid each section to keep the hair organized. Now it's time to help the treatment penetrate even deeper. You can see how our strands are very moisturized, and you can tell it's very soft. Now you wear your steamer cap or a heating cap so that you allow the heat to open up the hair cuticles so your hair can absorb all the nutrients from the aloe vera and fenugreek. Again, do not forget to subscribe for natural hair care tips to make your hair grow strong and healthy. So you leave this steamer cap on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes before you rinse out with lukewarm water, and you continue with your normal moisturization routine. Make sure your hair is not dry. When your hair is dry, then you complain of breakage. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to share more tips with you. You can also go through our channel. There are several other recipes, DIY you can try at home that are so beneficial to your hair. Thank you always for supporting Ivy's Naturals. You can also reach us on Instagram, TikTok, even on Facebook on Ivy's Naturals. We can't wait to have you and see you again. Bye. We love you.